Doogee, the renowned Chinese smartphone manufacturer celebrated for its rugged models, has recently introduced its latest addition to the robust lineup, the Doogee S41 Max. Building on the success of its predecessors, the S41 Max is a rugged smartphone that combines durability with ample internal storage, all wrapped up in an affordable package. This release follows closely on the heels of the company's unveiling of the S Mini compact smartphone. The Doogee S41 Max is specifically crafted to withstand the harsh conditions of outdoor usage, boasting certifications such as IP68, IP69K, and MIL-STD-810H. This device ensures resistance to water, sand, and the ability to endure falls, making it an ideal companion for users who venture into challenging environments. Its rugged construction makes it impervious to damage when exposed to elements that would typically comprise a regular smartphone. Under the hood, the S41 Max is powered by the Unisoc Tiger T606 chip, offering reliable performance suitable for most tasks. Although not among the fastest chips available, the smartphone compensates with a substantial 16 gigs of RAM and an impressive 256 gigs of internal storage. Users also have the option to expand storage via memory card, provided the dual SIM slot is not in use. Notably, the device operates on LTE networks, forgoing 5G connectivity, but ensuring compatibility across global networks. The S41 Max features a 5.5-inch screen with a resolution of 720 by 1440 pixels, providing a balance between dimension and clarity. The camera setup comprises a 13 megapixels main sensor and an 8 megapixels front camera, allowing users to capture moments in various environments. Despite its rugged build, the smartphone maintains a relatively lightweight profile at 262 grams and a thickness of 16.2 millimeters. Equipped with NFC support, the Doogee S41 Max facilitates seamless connectivity and enables users to perform various functions with a simple touch. Powering the device is a robust 6,300 mAh battery, providing extended usage even in challenging conditions. The battery is configurable, offering flexibility based on individual preferences. The smartphone runs on the Android 13 operating system, ensuring improved app performance and an overall enhanced user experience. In terms of price, the Doogee S41 Max positions itself as a budget-friendly yet robust smartphone, available at a competitive $119 on AliExpress. However, it's important to note that this listed price does not encompass potential import taxes or customs charges, which may vary depending on the jurisdiction of the customer. Additionally, shipping charges are not explicitly stated, adding an element of variability to the overall cost. For potential customers, Doogee has made its rugged smartphones, including the S41 Max, conveniently accessible through popular e-commerce platforms like Amazon. The company's presence on such platforms ensures a streamlined purchasing process and the trust associated with well-established online marketplaces. In summary, the Doogee S41 Max stands as a testament to the company's commitment to producing rugged smartphones that cater to the needs of users in demanding environments. With a combination of durability, ample storage, and an affordable price tag, the S41 Max is poised to attract outdoor enthusiasts and those seeking a reliable device that can withstand the rigors of an adventurous lifestyle. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and good luck.